In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ray line on Tradingview, quick and easy. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, direct your attention to the upper left side of the chart area. This is where most of your drawing tools live. Hover your mouse over that toolbar on the left and look for the Trendline Tools icon. It usually looks like a diagonal line. Click on it once and a small menu will expand, showing several different drawing options. From that list, select Ray. This is the tool we'll be using. Now it's time to plot the ray line on your chart. Move your cursor to the exact price point where you want the ray to begin. This could be a swing high, a swing low, or any key level you're interested in. Click once to create your first point. Then drag your mouse to the second point where you want the direction of the ray to go and click again. Tradingview will automatically extend that line infinitely in one direction, which is what makes it a ray instead of a normal trend line. After placing it, you'll see the ray line clearly on your chart. If the placement isn't perfect, don't worry. You can grab the endpoints or the line itself and move it anywhere on your chart to fine-tune the angle and position. This is helpful when you're adjusting to capture multiple touches or refining your support and resistance zones. You can also customize how this ray line looks. Click on the line to select it and you'll see a small toolbar pop up. From here you can open templates if you want to save specific styles and reuse them later. You can change the color so it stands out against your chart background, edit any text or labels associated with the line, and adjust the line width to make it thinner or thicker. You can also tweak the style, such as changing it from a solid to a dashed or dotted line. For more control, open the Full Settings panel for the ray. Here you can customize visibility on different timeframes and refine other visual options. You can add an alert so you'll be notified when price touches or crosses that ray line. Lock the line so you don't accidentally move it, or remove it completely if you no longer need it. That's the basic workflow for creating and managing ray lines on Tradingview. Rays are especially useful for projecting trends and key levels into the future, helping you visualize potential reaction areas as price develops.